Welcome to this channel Technicoid Education. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting internship provided by the AICTE. AICTE is the authority which takes care of all the technical education. So basically this internship is just for the software engineering background people or the students who are from the engineering background and specifically from the software engineering background. So the training will be provided, the internship will be provided by the AICTE to become a full stack developers. Okay, and these full stack developers will lead others in the coming months. Okay, they will be teaching assistant and they will be getting paid for this also. So I'm going to discuss all the schedule of this fellowship. I'm going to discuss about in depth about this internship. Okay, I will be discussing about the registration process, the submission of the coding part, and how you will be selected for this internship. Okay, it is a one time opportunity you will get. It is a very good opportunity that you are going to get in this situation. And basically it is a corona safe engineering fellowship. You don't have to go somewhere to do this internship. You have to do from work from home, and it will be very beneficial for your resume, for your interview. And apart from these things, you will have a very good portfolio in which you will list all the projects which will be which you will be making in this internship. Okay, the application has been started since 14th of December, and it will end on 5th of January. Okay, so guys, it is a very good opportunity. Please apply now only, and you will see apply now as soon as possible for you. Okay, so on 10th of January they will be only selecting 30 students only. Why is it so? I'm going to discuss about all the pros and cons, like why they have not selected 30 more than 30 students, why they have selected just 30 students. Okay, you might have heard about the super 30 in super 30. Okay, so it is just like that only. They will be teaching you from basics to advanced things. They will be guiding you throughout the your internship. Okay, so why you should apply for this internship? Okay, so they have listed certain points, like you will be getting one-to-one coaching from the industry programmers. Okay, so it will be a one-to-one mentoring session with the programmers who are very good in their respective fields. Okay, and you will be have you can discuss your queries with developers, designers, and founders of this let trainer industrial list. Okay, and it is not they are not having a breed of people. Okay, these are just a small group of people who will be having certain skill set to to achieve certain project. Okay, so yeah, it will be. And what will you do, like what skills you will be getting? You will be creating a real world web applications. You will be developing advanced front ends with React. Okay, so these are these are the advanced technologies that you will be learning and from the industry experts. Okay, and it is just free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. Okay, this all things will be a free of cost. And after that, what will happen is that they have listed, like, after doing this internship, you will be also a teaching assistant for the future students. Okay, this is this is the very good thing that I have heard about this. Okay, you will be a teaching assistant for the future students. Okay, you will be building real world application. You will create your open source portfolios. You will be having practical lessons from the industry specialized persons. Okay, you will be having one-to-one mentorship. This is the best thing I have seen ever. Okay, this is the one-time opportunity. You must apply for this as soon as possible. Like, and this initiative is supported by the XCT of Flipkart, and the CEO of Freshworks Incorporations, and this is the main organization that is conducting this internship, peoplefirst.org. Okay, so if you want to apply for this internship, you will get a link in my description area. Okay, you have to description in the description area. Okay, you will have the link of this internship from where you can go apply. Okay, after this, okay, how you can apply for this internship? So you will have here itself apply for fellowship button. Okay, it is also here apply for a fellowship button. Okay, you can click in any of these apply button and you will land to this page. Okay, so what it basically asks for you, it will basically ask for you the your email address. Okay, so after having your email address, if you will enter your email address over here, so it basically will say you that you have to go to your Gmail. Okay, whatever your email on whatever your platform email has been hosted, so you can go over there and you will find a email from this website. Okay, so after clicking on those website, you will be redirect to again this website, but you must have to visit your email to verify your email. Okay, so first I will need to verify my email. Okay, so guys, when you will click on the link that you will receive on Gmail, you will land up here only. Okay, so what after that, you will see that there is a four tasks that we have to do. The first one is to fill in the application word. In the second we will reveal the programming task, that what programming task we have to do. Okay, after that we have to submit that code. Okay, in the third task, and after four tasks you have to check the result that whether it is running or not, and they will review this code. Okay, that it is working or not, and after that they will give you marks on the basis of that. Okay, so I will go lead you through the first application form. Okay, so what you have to write in the first application form, the email address. Okay, the email address is already written over here as we have written in earlier step. Okay, after that you have to write your first name, whatever your first name is, you have to write that only. Okay, so like you have to write your first name only, and what is after that you have to write your full name. Okay, so you can write your full name over here. After that your mobile number. Okay, date of birth, like in which course you have enrolled, like BTech, BSc, something like that only. Not BSc, because BSc is not an engineering background degree, so you have to be from engineering background. And you may have different branch, you may be from different branches, not from the software branches, but they have clearly said that they will be teaching what programming. Okay, so it is very essential for you that you may have done certain programming like HTML CSS, that will also help in this. Okay, in which semester you will be, in January April 2021, आप कौन से semester में होंगे. Okay, after that your college name. Okay, where is your college is located, and आपने अभी तक क्या बनाया हुआ है, जो भी, you just have to paste the link only. Okay, if you want to tell them anything about the programming, so you can tell over here. Okay, but what if you don't like, after that you have to submit and continue. Okay, when you will submit and continue, you will have, you will be on the, you will have the program tasks to be revealed. You can reveal the programming task. After that you can submit the task and you can see the results, like whether it is working or not. Okay, so guys, it is a very one time opportunity, like they will be also teaching, they will be giving one-to-one mentoring sessions, they will be like after doing this internship you will be like a teaching assistant in for the future student who will be, you will be guiding them throughout their process of doing this internship as well. So it is very good type of opportunity which is which is also governed by AICTE, which is the organized sector for like looking all the technical education. Okay, so guys, it is very good opportunity. So in the future coming videos I will be also discussing about that how you can reveal this task and how you can submit the task and how you can run this and review this code over here. Okay, so thank you so much guys. If you like the video, please hit a like button. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel and if you want to see these future videos of this task, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.